Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Tommy Wahyu Alimsah. I am student of MBA ITB. This day I will present about my individual personal best leadership project. I did this project in 2020, which is one of the best project I managed to complete last year. The title of the project is Monetization of the Condensate. Okay. In this project, I was appointed as the leader and was assisted by 4 team members consist of various divisions, namely Production Operation Division and Oil and Gas Transportation Division. The target or goal from this project is to reduce condensate pumping losses that reach up to 50% of the total amount of the condensate. The improvement that we have made are number 1, reducing losses by lifting onset method, and number 2, replacing the transfer method from pumping method to rod tank. This project use plan do check action framework, which start from problem identification in January 2020 and finish in December 2020. Now let's start from background. We have condensate with average daily production about 19 barrel condensate per day. The problem that we faced was losses when pumping amount 50% of the total production. Losses causes decreasing company's revenue, so we have to find solution to eliminate these losses. How to eliminate the losses? Simple. Losses occur due to pumping activities. Otherwise, losses will not occur if there is no pumping activities. How to eliminate the pumping activities? Then our team proposed to do onset lifting. Onset lifting is a process that substitutes pumping activities. How to able to do onset lifting? Now, please see the following picture. We can take advantage of existing facilities which are now carrying out LPG lifting activities. The next step that must be taken is to fulfill the aspect of legality, accountability, dan auditability. Nah, this is the journey of our team in order to fulfill the legality, accountability, and auditability aspect. Start from March 11 and finish on September 8. That day, we successfully first onset lifting. After carrying out all improvement activities, we can make the following conclusion. Number 1, obtaining approval from a regulator or SKK Migas and agreement with Pertamina Persero regarding addition of condensate lifting point at Cemara Barat LPG Refinery. Number 2, on September 8, the first onset lifting of condensate product from the Cemara Barat LPG Refinery. Number 3, the amount of condensate being lifted is 3,000 barrel per month. And number 4, onset lifting is able to eliminate losses due to shrinkage and evaporation during condensate transfer via piping and blending with other crude oil. Start from initial 50% to 0% at the present or at now. And the last, increase revenue from lifting onset condensate about $1,900 per day. Okay, that was a brief explanation of the condensate monetization project that I have successfully completed. Now I want to review my experience as a leader from the perspective of theory, the 5 leadership practices. Number 1, model the way. To make our project successful, as a leader, I must have a strong character. A strong character means that a match between word and deed. Coaches and Posner's once said that the leader action are more important than his word. Our project is about how to minimize losses. So the longer condition of losses occur, the greater loss for the company. The action I have to take is to work fast and focus. Fast means all action I take must have a time bound. And focus means I ask the whole team, including myself, to have a strong commitment to finish the project immediately. Number 2, inspiring a shared vision. To make our project successful, as a leader, I must have a vision. With vision, all team members can follow. I have to make sure that the team is working toward the same goal. In the monetization of Condensat project, I convey that our vision is to minimize losses so the company's revenue can increase. After the vision established, the next step is to make a work plan related to the vision. For example, ensure that the weight bridge can be calibrated by a credible institution. Ensure that the Condensat delivery procedure can be completed quickly. Number 3, challenge the process. Challenging the process, I have experience I gained from this project was that I wanted to change the Condensat delivery procedure from previously using pipe to the rod tank method. Number 4, establishing order to act. I have experience about this. At that time, one of the team members in charge of the recalibration of weighted bridge was confused about how to start. The confusion was because he had never any experience with recalibration. As a leader, I have to facilitate the team to act. What I do is I share my experience. I gave him the step to calibrate the tank. I gave him the person that he could contact to do the tank calibration. This method was quite successful because he was able to complete the tank calibration quickly. And the most important thing was that I didn't take over his job. Instead, I just give some advice and information. The last, number 5, encouraging the herd. How do I motivate the team member? One of my strategy is to offer reward to team member. I told them that if we were successful in monetization Condensat, then I will approve the team members' proposal to improve the office space. Okay, that's all from me. Hopefully, with sharing my experience as a leader in this video, you guys could learn something about managing a team and how to be a good leader. Once again, thank you very much. Stay healthy and have a nice day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.